Now I would like to explain about the edit interaction. Edit interaction means I have these two chart. If I select here this, then it shows it will change in this line chart, and if I select in this chart, then it affects this chart to be changed that I need to do. So I will select this one, and then first I will select this chart and then go to format, edit interaction. Once I go to and edit interaction, when I select in this chart, it's showing, yeah, here it's null. I just have to select filter. In order to do exactly here, I need to select this. Yeah. So yeah, I select filter, now it's unable. So when I click January in another chart, it will change. Yeah, the first one. If I click here, then it says February. Here it will be so December. Then now it will November. Yeah, yeah. In order to off this, I just have to none, select none. And here I will select none. So it will off. Now I can, when I will select, it will not affect the another chart. Yeah, you can see. So this is called edit interaction.